Hey guys, welcome back. So the recipe is going to be in the description box. I just roasted cumin and coriander seeds. Now I'm going to grind them in a mortar and pestle. The smell is so fragrant. I wish you guys can smell it. Soon you guys will when you make the recipe. So I'm going to set that aside. And I did marinate and clean a whole chicken. It's about 4 to 5 pounds. And I used a little green seasoning and lemon to marinate it. And now I'm going to fry it in about half a cup of oil on medium-high heat. Seems like a lot of oil, but it's really not. You could use less if you want to. So yeah, you make sure that it's definitely a medium-high and use a bigger burner. I did use a small burner, which was a mistake. I had to switch it later on to the right side of my stove. You want to have it get like a little color. You don't want it to fry or burn, but have a little brown color to it. So you're going to cook that for like 20 or 30 minutes. This is around the time where I realized I should have used a bigger pan and the larger burner. So yeah, do that guys, so you don't collect a lot of liquid and so that the liquid evaporates at a faster rate, letting it get crispy and fry faster. So I just quartered my tomatoes, sliced the peppers in half, julienne my ginger. That's my seeds that I roasted earlier. I'm going to use half a bouillon cube. I have garlic and ginger paste, a few seasonings, salt and pepper, and that's really all, and coriander. You actually can make this recipe using no spices at all, so you would basically eliminate everything but the tomatoes, ginger, garlic, coriander, and the peppers, and just use salt and pepper, and it comes out really good as well. So at this point I did move it to the larger burner. I'm going to saute the seasonings, which like I said, it will be in the description, the full recipe and the amount that I used. Just let that cook off in the middle for a little while, like a few seconds, just to bring the aromas out from the spices. This is the garlic and ginger paste. I did use curry leaves because I had them in my fridge. I don't think it's that authentic to this recipe. And you can obviously cook this however you want. This is just a blueprint. Whenever you're doing any recipe, you can follow it to a T, or you can, follow it and, adjust things to your own taste and flavor. Because curry leaves do have a distinctive taste. I like it, some don't. So yeah, I did add this in at this point, and now I'm going to add the roasted coriander seeds and cumin seeds at this point as well. So at this point, I added the 2 cups of water. I should have added the bouillon cube now, but I'm going to add it in a second. And you're going to let this, cook on medium-low heat now for about 20 minutes. I know my daughter's whining in the background and my kids are making so much noise, but I promise you everybody is okay. We're just a really loud household. So I'm just going to wash a few cups of basmati rice. I honestly don't measure my rice, and this is not going to really be in the description. I'm just showing it. Yeah, I got this on sale last week when I went food shopping. It's a really great price at Lidl's. So when I cook my rice, whether it be basmati or long grain or medium grain, I always saute it in butter or oil. Then I add water, about an inch or so over the rice. Don't really measure this, but I would say to each cup of rice, do 2 cups of water. So at this time, this dish has been cooking for at least 50 minutes. I'm now going to add in the julienne ginger, the hot peppers, and the coriander. And I'm going to turn off the heat as well. And yeah, so that's basically how I make my chicken karahi. I don't always use curry leaves. I'm going to add it in the description, but it's only because I had it in my refrigerator because I used it recently in a recipe. And like I said, you can actually make this dish eliminating all the spices. So don't use any dry spices. You're just going to use the tomatoes, the garlic ginger paste, the fresh ginger, and the hot peppers, the chicken, salt and pepper, and it comes out really great as well. I just wanted to show you how fluffy my rice came out. Yeah, so I actually love this method of making rice. I know some people boil their rice. I usually don't. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe below. Till next time.